I decided to make a video about a forgotten instrument from Rotring, because I was not able to find anything about it on YouTube. This is a Rotring Variograph, a refillable fiber-tip pen, kind of an ancestor to fine liners from Rotring. It was produced around 10 years, from the early 80s to the early 90s. Based on the short lifespan and the little info available on the internet, I guess it was not a successful product. According to a Rotring catalog from 1980, it says, for writing and sketching, refillable fiber tip pen with adjustable fiber tip, 4 line thicknesses and 4 colors. So let's take a look at it. This is the box. This particular model is a 0.2 millimeter green. Here is the pen. It has a cap. Under that cap you have the adjustable tip. To adjust the tip you twist the end like this. Let me show if I can zoom in a bit. As you can see, you twist it and it grows. Twist it back and it goes back. So I guess they intended the longer end for writing and the shorter for drawing. To refill the pen, you needed to put it like this in the bottle, upside down. It used the special Rotring Variograph ink and let it refill by capillary action in around 3 minutes. I could not find any info if I could use Rotring technical ink or fountain pen ink, but if you tried it with another readily available ink, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now let's take it apart. Here you can see the inside and this just pulls out. This part just screws out. There you can see the tip. This one you can just pull it out. Okay, it should just... Okay, it doesn't want to. Okay, let's help ourselves. It's good to have a knife handy. Okay. Like this. Okay, it still has some green ink. You can see the section. Also, they came with a spare nib under this cap, which can be accessed here. One more thing before that. The replaceable spare tip in the trunk is a huge advantage in these kind of pens, but in this case can be a nuisance also because it rattles quite a lot. You can hear it. This can be really annoying in my opinion. So let's take it apart. Okay. And here's the new nib. You can see that it's new completely. It was never used. It's white. Okay, here you can see the pieces. Now I will just assemble it back. It is made out of plastic and it weighs roughly 11 grams. For comparison, a Statler liner like this, it weighs only 9 grams. Design wise, it resembles the Rotring Tiki-2. Just a second, I will bring one to show it that they look alike. As you can see, the design is quite similar between the Rotring Tiki-2 and the Rotring Variograph. I guess they derived the design of the Tiki-2 from the Variograph. But also, in my opinion, it has a really medical instrument look. Like it doesn't belong on a desk, but this is only my opinion. Yeah, and I almost forgot. Here are the instructions. It's interesting if you just take a look at it. They have a really quite nice design that really helps you, not like the instruction manuals from nowadays. I will just show it to you, where it shows how to adjust the nib, how to change the nib. And also there is one more interesting thing. Here you can see the bottle of the Variograph ink. Also, it seems that there were 2 versions, and my particular version down here says that I need replaceable tips version 2. And my tip looks like this, the second one, not the first one. I hope you find it interesting, and if you have any other information or if you have tried other inks, please let me know. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.